Hear ye this, O house of Jacob, which are called by the name of Israel, and I come forth out of the waters of Judah, where the spirits dwell, which swear by the name of the Lord, and make mention of the Holy One, but not in truth nor in righteousness, before the day is done. For they call themselves of the holy city, and stay themselves on God. The Lord of hosts is his name, as they walk upon the side. I have declared the former things from the beginning of the time. They went forth out of my mouth, and I showed them in their prime. For my name's sake will I defer my anger, and for my praise refrain, that I cut thee not off in the fire and the driving rain. Behold, I have refined thee, but not with silver in the pan. I have chosen thee in the furnace of affliction for my plan. For mine own sake, even for mine own sake, will I do this thing. For how should my name be polluted? Oh, the glory that I bring, I will not give my glory unto another or a different hand. I am the first and I am the last, across the sea land. Might had also have laid the foundation of the earth so wide, and my right hand hath spanned the heavens where the stars reside. Oh, when I call unto them, they stand up together in the light. Oh, ye assemble yourselves and hear the truth in the night. Which among them hath declared these things to the world below? The Lord hath loved him, and his pleasure on Babylon he will show. Oh, I have spoken, yeah, I've called him to his place. I have brought him, and he shall make his way prosperous in grace. For my name's sake will I defer my anger, and for my praise refrain, yeah, that I cut thee not off in the fire and the driving rain. Behold, I have refined thee, but not with silver in the pan. I have chosen thee in the furnace of affliction for my plan. For mine own sake, even for mine own sake, will I do this thing. For how should my name be polluted? Oh, the glory that I bring, I will not give my glory unto another or a different hand. I am the first and I am the last, across the sea land. Peace hath